So we are back on the road again and we're trying this Mexican grill restaurant called BURRACHOS. I hoped I pronounced it good. Go to BURRACHOS. What is this? A fresh Mexican grill. Let's go! Smells good. There's it. And then there's wife. So let's check out the setting, the environment. Well, we have the menu that is right above, and it's a huge menu with a lot of variety. There's also like a lot of writings on the walls. There's a lot of seats, and I love this. It's very spacious. Now, let's look at the menu. So you can have like a burrito, a quesadilla, and there's so many different fillings. Now, this is what I loved. I was like a little kid, like a kid in a candy store. Brown rice.
Any beans on there?
Black beans. Can I get, what is this?
It's just vegetables, cooked vegetables.
Can I get something?
Yeah. What kind of meat?
Chicken.
Any queso?
That's cheese, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Any salsa?
Mhm.
What kind would you like?
What do we have?
So this is like fresh chopped, cut up tomatoes and peppers. This is just like a mashed salsa. This has got corn in it. This one's got a little bit of a kick.
Kick.
This one's spicier than that one.
Yeah. That's a little bit of it.
Yeah. Lettuce, cheese, sour cream.
Guaco?
Guacamole.
And cheese and lettuce.
And cheese and lettuce. It's chicken with queso.
And then I was wondering, how is he going to fool this? Because I took a lot of filling, So I was like waiting and I was watching, and he actually did it, and I was like impressed. I was like, wow. And then I didn't feel too bad, like I took too much. All right. And I'm like so excited to taste this right now. Like imagine all of those things just melting together. All right, let's go. You only want to get one. You get two. I know. The chicken, lettuce, brown rice. It's so good. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's filling, it's fun. I mean,
Kylie knows where to eat.
Kylie knows where to eat.
I know the best places.
What's your YouTube channel?
Kylie Smith.
Kylie Smith. So you can follow her on her YouTube channel. Kylie was the person who introduced us to this restaurant. So, hey, thank you, Kylie. And go ahead and follow her on her YouTube page. She also does YouTube, which is so cool. She's like a solo chick traveling, driving in her RV all over America. Hey, good content. Now, back to this food. So it reminds me a lot like Chipotle. I like people who go to the gym. People who go to the gym or love to eat healthy, or lifestyle spicy food, whether you're like Mexican, Caribbean, or like you're from you're Asian, I think this is a nice spot for you to get some food. I love it. So see you next time. I don't know if I'm going to be
Like and subscribe.
yeah, like and subscribe. Click the like button, because the more you click like buttons, the more YouTube will send my video. Oh, it's nice. And don't forget to subscribe to Callie. So Colossians 13 verse 13, make allowance for each other's faults and forgive anyone who offends you. Remember, the Lord forgave you, so you must forgive others. And right now I'm going through this path in my life where I am becoming, it's easy for me to detect or to read into other person's faults. And it's also easy for me to detect and to observe my own fault as an individual. And also, God has given me some level of grace or peace in dealing with others when I see where, when I can see their flaws, and I've been practicing to also give myself grace or to forgive myself where I see my own shortcomings. And sometimes it's not easy. It's very difficult sometimes to practice grace or to be grateful to others or to be patient and practice tolerance. But with God, it has been easy so far, well, easier than before. And when I'm in a situation where someone is being offensive or it's nothing that I can control and it's very messy and sinful, probably I'm in a wrong place. Probably I need not to be here. So I know that I need to find or be in a place where it's loving and I feel the Holy Spirit and I remove myself. So that's good. Anyway, thank you for watching my channel, my videos. Please stay tuned for more exciting content, and one love.